what is the difference in a high lift color versus like bleach?
Lifted.
And then the soul bounce. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the salon and I'm taking you guys with me. I am so excited. I have been waiting a really long time for this. As you can see, my hair color is like pretty much completely grown out. It's not even giving like, I mean, I guess it is giving a little bit like balayage effect, but I feel like there's also like a dark and then colored, you know what I mean? It's just grown out and I'm so excited to go to Salon Scanda today. They're the only people that I trust at all in the world right now to color my hair, and I'm very excited. It's been way too long, so let's go guys to the salon. Crystal is pregnant. I'm so excited, and this is my first time seeing her since finding out. So I got her some flowers, and then I'm also putting together a little goodie bag of stuff. So I got some diapers, some wipes for the baby. But then I also wanted to make sure I got some stuff for her, you know? I feel like a lot of people focus on the baby. So I got her our favorite Dove body wash, but this is in the lavender scent. Oh my gosh. So good. Aveeno lavender lotion. I just kind of went for like, you know, relaxation, stress relief vibes. And then I also got this oil by Palmer's. This is really good for stretch marks. I figured she could use it on her belly. So boom, we got a cutie little gift bag and a cute bouquet of flowers. I'm ready, let's go. I love salon day. It is so much fun. How am I gonna carry all this? This is gonna be a challenge. Okay, woo. Oh my gosh, it is so hot in Atlanta right now. All right, so excited. Oh, here's our last look. Last look at my hair. Woo! Before we freshen up this color. My favorite place. So long. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you.
So good to see you.
So good to see you.
It's been way too long.
I know. This is way too long.
What are we doing?
So I don't know. I think pretty much the same in terms of color, like the same thing as last time. I love the idea of keeping my depth, but still having like pops of highlights.
Yeah.
And some of them, like in the front, were a little bit lighter. I like the idea of having some a little lighter, some a little darker for extra dimension. But yeah, I just love them. I love how these have held up over time. Yeah. So
Are you still like the tone that we ended up doing?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like a honey. I did look at photos. So this is pretty much kind of like what we did. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I don't know if maybe we do like a slight dusting of the ends, but other than that, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, are you liking the overall length right now?
Yeah, I plan to keep it growing. I've been doing like those blowout, the trims on my hair blown out, and it's pretty much all just one length at this point. Yeah, I think I like it.
Alright, I'm gonna get you that.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
It's like almost gone.
Yeah.
The color, it lasted, but
Yeah. People started asking me, are you growing your hair out? Your color out?
Right.
And I was like, no. But I can't keep up. Look at how big my hair looks. So strong. My eyes are like,
yeah.
my eyes and this chemical. Look at how crazy. Obviously it's before toning. It's not gonna look this crazy, but my color's back.
Like these are both pretty warm, which is what we ended up doing last time.
Yeah.
This one is more like golden. This has a little bit of a copper tint to it.
Okay.
I don't know if you're drawn to one or the other.
I think I like more.
Yeah.
Is this more like honey?
Yeah.
Or would you say?
It depends on the person. Like some people see this and they're like, it's red, and it freaks them out.
Yeah.
It's just warmer. Like it's more rich, basically.
I feel like warm looks good on me.
Yeah. Do you think like this guy would be too light, or does that not freak you out?
I don't know. I don't know how to picture it.
Yeah.
On my head.
Yeah. No.
So it would look exactly like this shade.
Yeah. Kind of lifted here.
Yeah.
So you're about here.
Okay.
So this would just be going like a little darker.
bit
This
darker.
one would be even darker than that.
Okay. You think we should go with this? I don't know. I don't want it to be like too light.
Yeah.
But it is also summer.
Right.
So,
I'm like, I don't think you would be mad about it.
Yeah.
Just because you're brightening it up. And if you hate it, you could always do a darker tone
Okay.
on top.
Right.
But we could also go somewhere in between.
Maybe we mix it?
Yeah. I don't
I'm
think
so
either
indecisive.
way you're not going to feel like dark.
Okay.
Because
yeah.
it's so much more brightness
Right.
than it was.
Okay.
So I think you'd be fine either way.
Okay.
So we'll go with
Okay, sounds good. So Crystal, question, because I feel like people are gonna ask,
Yeah.
what is the difference in a high lift color versus like bleach?
Yeah. So high lift is like in between hair color and bleach.
Okay.
So like your hair color only does like a certain amount of lifting. Like 1 to 2 shades typically. Sometimes you can get 3. High lift is next. So like with high lift, you can sometimes get like 4 shades of lift.
Okay.
And then your bleach is like your big gun. Like that's what's really gonna get your hair to lift.
Gotcha.
If you need it. So it's like right in between both of those.
Okay.
It's technically like more gentle on the hair than bleach. But like if someone doesn't have color on their hair, you don't need the power from the bleach. And if you're not trying to go like
too crazy,
7 levels lighter,
platinum blonde,
yeah, then you don't necessarily need bleach.
Okay. Well, I love the way my hair is held up.
Yeah.
Over the last like year. I'm excited. I feel a little bit like Beyonce.
It's
right
already,
now.
yeah. It like this color it lifted to.
Yeah. We're doing Curly Magic.
And then the Soul Bounce.
Ooh, I'm so excited about that foam.
It's so nice.
So you said it has hold. It has some hold to it too, a little bit.
It does.
Like
It's
light.
not. Yes, it's not like super crunchy.
Okay.
But like you get really good definition.
The hair's gotten so long.
So long. It's crazy. I wish it would dry this long.
What's the goal? Do you want to keep growing until it's like too much?
Yeah, probably. I want to feel like I can still enjoy my length, however long it needs to be for that. But then I know I'm gonna get sick of it. It's gonna get to a point where it's too much. Yeah, it's been a minute. We used to chop like every appointment. Are these the unbrushed brushes? I've never used them.
Oh, really?
I have one at home, but I haven't tried it.
Good. They are really, really nice.
2 people makes it go by so much quicker. Because me struggling with this in the shower for like an hour is crazy. I love the color.
It's so pretty. It's gonna like fade so good.
Yeah.
Because it's not too light.
No, it's perfect. I love love it. I feel like this is definitely a volume wash for me.
Yes, it is. So we'll see. I
Yeah.
don't know how many days you'll get out of it.
Right. But it's just cute.
I mean, it dries really quickly.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes.
How cute is this combo? Ah, we're probably about like 95% dry, pretty much. The color, you guys, the color. It's so good. And then the thing with color is like over time, like with each shampoo, it'll just kind of like lighten a little bit more and more over time. So I miss Crystal. I missed her. It had been way too long. Way too long. Gosh, the curls look so good. Oh, and the color. Look at the color in the daylight. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna head home and then I will check in with you guys tomorrow so we can have like a final fully dry chat about everything. All right, so it's the next day. I wanted to make sure to give you guys a really good look at like day 2 hair, as we always do. You guys, I'm obsessed. So when I first colored my hair, like this most recent time, and added highlights, we definitely went a little bit more subtle. You could kind of like barely tell that they were there. And then over time, my hair started to lighten up as we went. But this time we're like, you know, let's go a little bit brighter. It is summer. So we did, and I'm so happy that we did. I love it. I love how my hair looks and feels. It feels so soft. That combo with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic plus the, I can't remember what the name of the foam is, but their new foam. That combo is definitely a wash and go combo for volume. So I'm not sure how, I'm probably not gonna get like a full 7 days out of this, but I could see us taking this at least to like maybe day 4 and just letting it be big. It's so, I think it actually looks really, really good. And then of course, like the color, I'm obsessed. George keeps like seeing it on the phone. He's like, your hair looks so much brighter, but I love it. Like he loves it so much. I'm gonna try and get a couple clips of me like outside in the sunlight so you can really, really see. It just adds this really good dimension to my hair. And I like that my hair doesn't feel like super dark. What do you guys think? I love it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, I love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much, as always, for keeping your girl company at the salon. I love you very much, and I will catch y'all right back here same time, same place next week for another video. I'm trying my best, okay? If I miss a week here and there, don't be mad. I'm trying my best. Love you. Bye.